to make sure it doesn't escape. The praying mantis has arms that can strike 10 times faster than a blink of the eye. And it's the only insect known to see in 3D. Perfect for judging strike distance.